we're going to correct exercises from page number 43, okay, in the activity book to 45, okay? So first of all, we have this activity. We just need to transcribe the following words, okay? So in each case, I need to write the correct word according to the character, okay? For example, in this case, we have Jin, okay? I continue this way, Jin. We also have this one, which is Yao. We have Shui, Shui. We also have bottle, Ping. Now, 东西, which means thin, okay? 东西, 东西. Hai, still. 和 and this one, 点心, 点心. Okay, so this one here without tone. So here you have the correction for exercise number 1. Okay, you can stop the video now and check your answers. I'm going to continue with exercise number 2. Okay, so here you have exercise number 2. We have to match the pictures with the Chinese equivalents and the pinyin. So for example, here we have the word for water. Okay, we suppose this is water. So here you can use different colors, okay, because that way it will be easier to identify everything, or also you can use numbers, okay, whatever you want in order to do it in a proper way. So I think here you're going to see it right. So I'm just trying to 苹果, this is apple, okay. Continue. We have here also eggs, 鸡蛋, okay. Remember this one, 鸡蛋, we have it here. We also have 牛奶, okay, 牛奶. 牛奶, which is milk, okay, remember. Then we have 汽水, which is soda, gaseosa in Spanish, we say, or agua con gas, okay. 汽水, we also have 面包, which is bread, okay, 面包. And the last one, 鱼, which is fish, okay. 鱼, this one here. I'm going to use here another color because that way you can see it more clearly. Okay, so this color, and then we have 鱼, okay, so that way you can watch it right. So please stop the video and you can check your answers, okay? I'm going to continue with the next activity, and here you only need to write the proper characters. So here you have the different characters you should be writing, okay? So please stop the video and you can copy these characters according to the book, okay? I'm using just the vocabulary for this lesson, so this is very important. Always you find this pinyin with the vocabulary from the lesson, okay? Please stop it because I'm continuing with next exercise, number 4. As I don't have here the stickers, so I'm just translating this, and you can here, if you have the stickers, if you don't have the stickers, don't worry, make a little drawing, okay? I'm just writing here the meaning of these expressions, so you can put here the proper stick, okay? So that way. So this one first, 5 bottles of milk, okay? Is that 3 little dogs, 2 kilos. Remember, this is Chinese kilo, not hours, okay, Chinese kilo, this is very important, 2 kilos, and of apples. And this one here, 1 park. So according to, if you have the stickers, according to the stickers, you can put here the right ones, okay? Search for this one, 5 bottles of milk, 3 little dogs, 2 kilos of apples, and 1 park, okay? If you don't have the stickers or you can find them, don't worry. Just make a little drawing of it and you will have this exercise done, okay? Please remember, you should send me before the class your homework so that I can check that you have done it. Okay, I continue with the next one. This exercise number 5. I'm going to write it here for you. So I fixed this exercise number 5 because we have one part here on page number 44 and the other part is here on page number 45. So what we have to do is these words here, okay, we have to put them into the right place. For example, here we have, this is the word for drink, okay? And here we have the word for see, okay? So according to this, for example, 点心, this is a little cake, something to eat. So we put it here because for eating. Drinking, we have 水, okay? Remember, 水, this is water. So this is something that you drink, okay? 水, water. So I write it here. Next, 面包, this is something that you eat, okay? So 面包. I write it just there besides. Next one, 果汁. This is juice, okay? 果汁. So I write it here next to it. Next, 中文书. This is something you see, okay? Something that you can see, a Chinese book. So I write it here, okay? Remember, 中文书. Next, cafe. Cafe is something that I can drink. So cafe, coffee. I write it here. Then I have 米饭. 米饭 is something that I can eat, okay? So 米饭 here. Then I have 面条, similar with this because 面条 is something that you also can eat. So 面条. And 鸡蛋, again, something you can eat. So 鸡蛋, I'm writing here also egg. Okay, remember 鸡蛋, egg. You can find these words. Cha is something that you drink. Okay, so cha, I'm writing it here. Something you drink. Okay, 英文书, this has to do with something you can read. Okay, or something you can at least see, something you can. So you can see this. You look at the Chinese and the English book. You also watch a movie. So we have here 电影, okay, the word in Chinese for movie, 电影. So this one I also write it here, okay. 法文书, maybe you have another word here because it depends on which book do you have, okay? So maybe you have a Spanish book or something, but it is the same. We have 法文, which is French, okay? The word from French, 法文书. Then I have something 牛奶, and you know that this is something to drink, okay? 牛奶. So I put 牛奶 here. I also have 苹果. 苹果, which is apple, okay? So I write it here, something to eat, okay? 花 is something you can see. 花 is flower, okay? Something you can see. So I write it here. 饭 is something you eat because this is food in general or rice, okay? Remember, 饭, food, rice. So we write it here in the eating part, okay? 饭. And 海鲜, this is seafood, marisco in Spanish. So 海鲜, we also write it here. So this is exercise number 5 done, okay? As you could see here, been using all these words here on these parts, okay, pages number 44 and 45, and we wrote them here. Please stop the video, check your answers, and I will continue correcting exercise number 6. Exercise number 6, fill in the blanks with the number of the correct word. So here we have some measure words in Chinese, and I need to write them into the right place. Okay, so for example, 一水, 1 bottle of water. Okay, so 瓶, the meaning of this is bottle. Remember, bottle. 1 bottle of water. Okay, this is the measure word for animals. This generic measure word, and the last one for half a kilo in Chinese. Okay, for example, 四房间, 房间 was room, so this one is 一个 or 四个房间. This is room. Okay, the first one. 两小猫, this is the classifier, the measure word for animals. So number 3, 两只小猫. 五苹果, 五斤, 5 half kilos of apples. So number 4, 八鸡蛋, so we can say 八个鸡蛋, 8 eggs. Okay, 一个个, 一个个个, 两点心, we can say 两斤点心, 2 half kilos of these cakes, and 三面包, we can say 三个面包, 3 breads, 3 loaves of bread. Please check your answers, and I'm going to continue with the last exercise, number 7. Okay, so please stop the video because I'm continuing with number 7. If you haven't finished correcting number 6, I'm continuing with number 7. You have to put appropriate tones on the following pinyin. So I'm writing here the sentences for you, so that way you can check the pinyin. So we finish with these 4 sentences. The first one, 我要买3瓶水. Please check the pinyin, okay? The second one, 这是什么东西? What is this thing? The first one, I want to buy 3 bottles of water. Second one, what is this? Third one, 我要咖啡, 你呢? I want coffee. What about you? And you? And the last one, number 4, 他喜欢米饭, 不喜欢面条. He likes rice, doesn't like noodles. So please stop the video and check your answers.